I like your Lenovo X1 Corben want turn on. We are Kelato Site, experts in technical repairs. We collect your device from your door, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We are located at Calle Joaquín María López 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue can occur due to a faulty power supply or battery failure. Our technicians will check your device, ensuring all components are functioning correctly and replace any defective parts if necessary. A simple fix can have your device back up and running smoothly. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.